up, everybody? Good morning, or good evening, I should say. It's 6:30, about to leave here. Gotta go head down to Florence, South Carolina to get my trailer washed out, which is about an hour and a half, I think, or about an hour out of the way. I think it's about 2 hours to get there from here. And I need to fuel up at the Loves in Dillon. And then what I think I'm going to try to do is head over to the U.S. cold storage that I'm picking up at in Lumberton. And probably take a 10-hour break there if they have spots. If they don't, then I'm probably going to be kind of a little bit screwed. But I know they allow you to overnight park it. My appointment's not until noon tomorrow, so I have time. But I don't want to do the whole leave here tomorrow morning, get my trailer washed out, and then go there, because I have to make it all the way from there to Strasburg. I should make my bed right quick, shouldn't I? I mean, it doesn't take much. Now the background don't look like quite a mess. I did clean up quite a bit. I've still got a long way to go as far as cleaning goes, but we're getting there. This is gonna be a pain in the ass trying to get out of here. I'm gonna have to wait till that traffic light turns red, because there's like absolutely no hope of getting out of here right now. Oh Lord. Here we go. Now I can pull out. Ha! No comment. No comment on that one. Yep, scrub the curb just a little bit, but we good. I guess that RV that was sitting behind me was waiting for me to go as well. Oh well. It's alright. So, we've got, well, it's only 70 miles to get to Lumberton, but then I gotta retrack myself a little bit and head south to South Carolina, because that's the closest Blue Beacon. Because there was a truck wash over here, but they closed at 5, so we're not going to be able to use that, obviously, which sucks. Woo! That was one hell of a ordeal with the with that work zone I just went through. I wish I would have turned on the camera, because the guy in front of me was a complete idiot. But we're finally here. Get the trailer washed out. Windshield's dirty as crap. That's all from today. It was, as y'all saw earlier, perfectly clean when I left. I think we're good. Oh, there's dark out, but it's okay. I'm turning here anyway. Oh, that thing's dirty. I'll have to wash that off. There's not a whole lot of people in line over here. Normally at night this truck wash is pretty dead, but I don't know. We'll find out. I know somebody's going to say, "Oh, well, if you're going to the truck wash, why don't you just get your truck washed and so your windshield will be clean?" Well, that's the problem. I don't have. So my company gives me a PO number for getting the truck washed and the trailer washed and things of that nature. And nighttime dispatch is apparently not allowed to give me a truck wash PO, only a trailer wash out PO. So I'd have to pay for it, and I don't really want to do that. Let's see how this line's looking. It don't look too bad. There's a couple trucks in line, but nothing we can't handle. You know what? I'm gonna go around this way. Do I pull behind the flatbed or do I pull behind the wiener wagon? Considering the wiener wagon has a reefer unit, I'm going to assume that he's also just getting a washout, so I'm probably just going to pull behind him. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, now we sit and wait. Alright, that was quick and painless and easy. Took about 25 minutes or so. Not too bad. I'm going to head to the Loves to fuel up right quick, and then, depending on if they have parking, which they might, I was just looking at Trucker Path, and for the past like hour, they've had a lot of spots, and somebody just updated it a couple minutes ago that there were still a lot of spots left. So I'm gonna get fuel. If they have spots there, then I will park there for the night. If not, then I'll just go ahead and head up to Lumberton and park at the customer overnight, because they do allow you to do that. So we'll see about that. I don't know. Not entirely sure what's going to happen, but that's kind of the way she goes in trucking. Not always sure what's going to happen exactly. All right. Damn it. Come on. Down, but I decided to just stop for the night, and I'm about to get a shower. Alright, get back to the truck. Come on. Truck. I don't want to show you guys my mess. Okay. Oh. Whew. Nope. Son of a bitch. Didn't let that go. There we go. That way. Didn't help. Oh well. That was a good shower. Definitely took a Hollywood. Of course, it took me an hour and a half to actually get in, which is ridiculous, but oh well. I mean, maybe. That ain't better? Yeah, a little. I did clean this up, so it's nice and clean shaven. And let's see how long I've been here. How long I've been here? Almost 2 hours, which means it's about time for me to go to bed. Even though I feel like I just got up. I didn't do a whole lot today. Didn't do a whole lot of driving, at least. Let's see, I drove
2 hours and 20 minutes today. What a fucking waste. But I'm only 25 minutes away from my customer. When I get up in the morning, I can go fuel. Hopefully their pumps are back up, because they were down. I don't remember if I said that, but they were down. Hopefully they'll be back up in the morning so I can get fuel, because, well, I'll show you. I'm running a little low. Not too bad, but got about, what is that? A little under 5/8. I'll give you guys an actual. Let's see. I had to move the damn steering wheel. There we go. Yeah, a little under 3/8. So, oh well. I only did. Let's see. Well, hey everybody. Sorry, my face looks a little scrunched up. I just recovered from a sneezing attack. I just got to the customer just a few minutes ago. Well, about 20 minutes ago. Just backed over into a door. I overslept ridiculously, and yeah, I got here right at 12 o'clock, which is my appointment time. I was gonna wake up at 9:30 and get fuel, but I woke up so late that I was not able to get fuel, so I gotta go back to that truck stop anyway to go scale out. So what I'm gonna do is fuel first. Well, I'll probably scale first, and then I'll fuel depending on what the weights look like. I'll fuel after that, and then we'll get on down the road. But yeah, that was a kind of a stressful morning. Oh god, I hate when I do that. So we got loaded up finally. It's 3:15 now. Headed back to the Loves where we started at this morning and last night and what have you. I gotta get weighed. I gotta fuel up because I'm down to 1/4 of a tank now, just from running the truck for air conditioning and things of that nature. So the weight should be fine. I've only got 31,000 pounds in the trailer, so I might have the tandem slid a little bit too far back. If that's the case, we'll adjust and move on. So we made it into Virginia, about 20 miles away from Richmond at the moment. My wife called me a little bit ago, said, oh, well, okay, that was fast. My wife called me a little bit ago saying, hey, we have a problem. I said, what? She goes, the sink's leaking. I said, what do you mean the sink's leaking? Well, apparently the, I don't know if it was the garbage disposal or what. Something's going on where just stuff's pouring out of the drain pipe. So hopefully they can get that taken care of tonight. I don't know, but that's wonderful news. So, getting off at Strasburg now. I don't know what this guy's deal is. That damn truck that was in front of me, not this car, four-wheeler, whatever the fuck you want to call it, but that semi-truck that was in front of me was doing fucking 55 miles an hour. Must have been one of those West Coast boys who doesn't know how to handle a couple little hills every once in a while. But we're just about here to Strasburg, which means it's just about to be the end of my day. Makes me happy because I'm exhausted. And then Strasburg is, or Americold is down this tiny little back road back here. I don't know why there's such a terrible glare in the camera tonight. It's normally not that bad, but I don't know. Who knows what it could be. So I got to get a whole bunch of, I think when my project
for tonight, other than editing this video, is going to be actually pulling a lot of pictures and stuff off my phone and throwing them on my computer. That way I can have a little more space, because I really don't have a whole lot of space. In fact, I've only got half an hour left of recording time, which equates to probably about how much edited video I'm going to have. So I might not even have enough room to have this video edited. Alright, 405 is our spot assignment. I don't know exactly where that is, but I will find it. It is a beautiful night out here. It's 74 degrees. There's a nice breeze going on. Alright, I'm going to cheat a little bit since there's this much empty space, and I know 405's down here somewhere. I'm going to do this until I see it. 420. Oh, hang on. Now I can't see the numbers. 415. I love open the door to your heart. Where's 405? 410. Alright, hang on. We're coming around now. I think it's right next to this Purdy trailer. 460. Yep, right next to the Purdy trailer. London, Tennessee. Cheating a little bit, making this a little easier on myself. You know, I'm probably gonna screw it up. Everybody laugh at me. You had all that room and you still screwed it up. Yeah, shut up. I'm tired. I've had a long day. Shut up. Quit judging me. You drive this truck when you're tired. It ain't fun. Yep, I already screwed it up. Damn it. Damn it! Told you I was gonna screw it up, didn't I? Alright. How's about we lean the head out the window? That's not working on it. Damn it! I gotta pull forward. Coming in at too hot of an angle. I'm so glad there's nobody else here. So glad there's nobody else here. Fucking spinner knob is not cooperating with me. It's trying to fall off. I have to fix that. I can't see the line on that side. You can see there, dude. Yep, that looks perfectly in line. Oh yeah. Actually, we need to swing it a little bit more this way. Bring her around this way. Perfect. Right in line. Good job, Dan. Good job. You done good, kid. You done good. There's a load lock in the back of this trailer, but I don't really care because I don't have room for it. Already got 2 of them. I don't have room for a third, so it's staying in the trailer. Alright, so I was gonna put my window up so y'all can hear me. I was gonna set up or I was gonna record a video or a clip of me showing you guys how to unhook a trailer, but yeah, instead my stupid ass took a picture. I thought I was recording the entire time and I just took a picture. So I didn't realize that until after I had pulled out of the way of the trailer. So, oh well. Maybe tomorrow or whenever I record next, I can give you guys a video on how to hook and unhook a trailer, considering it's pretty much the same process in reverse. So, not a big deal. There were a couple spots over here at the McDonald's. I checked on Trucker Path, and the Loves and the Flying J, or the Pilot over here are full. So, oh, excuse me. I'm gonna park at the McDonald's. No big deal.
there are like 2 or 3 spots over here, so hopefully they're still there. If they're not, then I'll be a little bit salty, considering there ain't any other spots available, except for possibly at the Denny's across the street. I don't know if they actually let you park there, but it's worth a shot. I've seen other bobtails parked over there, but I don't know if they were just parked there for lunch or if they were actually parked there for the night. I'm not entirely sure, but we'll find out at some point, I'm sure. I don't normally like parking here. It's kind of a last resort kind of thing because, well, right now they're closed, and closed means no restroom. Actually, they might be open. I don't know. I'm gonna go check because I would like something to drink. Park next to this wiener wagon here. Backing on up. Turn the lights out so I don't blind anybody. It might actually be open, I'm not sure. There we go. Almost. Just tap the curb. Where is it? There it is. Turn the flashers off. Get off of drive time. We good. So, y'all can actually see me because these lights are completely blinded. I'm gonna go inside and see if I can get something to drink because I would like something cold. I don't have anything cold in here, but I'm gonna go get something to drink, and gotta call my wife back. And yeah, that's about it. So, want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you did, feel free to leave a like, a dislike, a comment, whatever you want. If you liked it, obviously you know what to do. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the drop box below. And down in the description, I've got my Twitter and my Patreon page. If you want to check me out on Twitter, that'd be cool. You guys can keep up with me. I sometimes post updates, sometimes I don't. Most of the time, I have my YouTube set to automatically tweet whenever I post a video. So every time I post a video, it automatically goes over there. And sometimes I tweet silly, goofy pictures or where I'm at, things of that nature. So check me out on Twitter, Patreon if you want to support my channel. Cool. Just a little update right quick before I go. I just ordered a 32 gigabyte micro SD card for my not for my camera, but for my phone. Amazon was having a deal, so that hopefully might make it a little bit easier to record and edit and things from my phone, since I'll have a little bit more space. That'll be nice. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching again.